Hey guys, we are working a few more problems from profit and loss. A trader made a profit of 20% after giving a discount of 30%. If the trader had given a discount of rupees 200, he would have made a loss of 20%. Find the marked price of the article. This problem, as you can see, involves a simple concept of marked price. So let me go through that concept before discussing the solution of the problem. What is a marked price? See, for example, if you walk into a showroom dealing in consumer goods, you will see every product marked with a price. There is a price tag on each product. That's what we mean by marked price. Generally, they offer a discount. For example, if 30,000 is the marked price of a TV in a showroom, and if the offer discount is say 20%, what does that mean? You will be getting a discount of how much in absolute amount? That will be, say, actual discount. We use a capital D generally. So this will be the actual discount you are offered, and that comes to, on simplification, 6,000 rupees. So if there is a discount of 6,000 rupees on 30,000 products, the price you pay, when you look at it from trader's point of view, we call it selling price. That will be 24,000 rupees. So why did he mark it so high? It's just to attract the customers with the offer of discounts. He doesn't intend to sell it at that high price. Normally they offer a discount, and after discount you end up paying a lower price. So maybe even at this price, the trader will be making a decent profit. So usually marked price is above selling price, and if there is profit, this is above cost price. This is the way it goes. Now, there is something you can observe here. If 20% is the discount, then selling price you can directly calculate without finding the actual discount 6,000. For that, what do? 20% is the discount, means you take 80% of the marked price. That will directly give you 24,000 rupees. This is a direct way of calculating selling price using the discount percentage. Let X be the marked price of the product in this case. Now come to the problem given here. We are asked to find out what marked price. Let X be the marked price of the product. And how much is the discount given? 30%. So what will be the selling price? See, that will be 70% of X. Like we saw here, 20% discount. To directly find out selling price, you multiply, or rather you take 80% of the marked price. In this case, discount is 30%. So what do? To get the selling price, you take 70% of the marked price. That will be the selling price. Maybe this you can write as 0.7x. Now, even after allowing so much discount, there is a profit of 20%. That means on the selling price, the trader has made a profit percentage of 20. Then how do you arrive at CP of the product from that selling price? 7x divided by 1.2. 20% profit means you divide selling price by 1.2 to get cost price or CP. This you may write as, okay, now you leave it there. See, now there is another case. Hypothetically, they say if discount of 200 rupees had been allowed on the same product, the trader would incur a loss of 20%. How do you translate that into an equation? Again, X is the marked price. 200 rupees discount is allowed, means this will be the new selling price. And for this selling price, he incurs a loss of 20%. From this selling price, which is X minus 200, How do you arrive at the cost price? Selling price divided by 0.8. See, 20% loss means you divide selling price by 0.8. These points I have covered in my previous video on the basics of profit and loss. The link of the video is given in the description below for your reference. Now this will be the cost price. To get CP, you divide by a suitable number which is related to the loss percentage. If 20% is the loss percentage, 0.8 will be the suitable number with which you divide selling price to get CP. Now we have found out CP of the same product in two ways. One here, the other one here. Now we have arrived at cost price in two different ways of the same product, but they will be the same, you know. See, from two different angles and two different discounts, you're arriving at the cost price. They should be the same. So you can equate this to this. This is one way you have arrived at cost price, that is 7x square. Then this is another way. Both are the same. Now you got a simple equation in X, which on solving will give you marked price. Cross multiply. That implies, yeah. So you will have I'm writing variables on the left side just for convenience. I'm taking this to the other side actually. And this on simplification, this will be 6.4x so x is equal to x is our marked price, and that's found out to be 375. So 375 is the marked price of the product. The second question is, a trader after allowing two successive discounts of 20% and 30% makes a profit of 12%. By what percentage was the article marked above the cost price? This is again based on marked price, but there are two successive discounts. Let 100 be the cost price of the product. If 100 is the cost price, the problem says he made a profit of 12%, then which is 112. Now this selling price he gets after allowing two discounts, 20% and 30%. Let X be marked price. So the product will be priced at what level after the first discount of 20%? X into 80 by 100. This is the level at which it gets priced after allowing the first discount. Then the next discount, 30%, is allowed on this level. I mean, there is a price the product will be at after the first discount. On that price, he is allowing further discount of 30%. So to arrive at the final selling price, you go to multiply this as the base figure, this by what? 70 into 100. So this will be the final selling price of the product. So we have arrived at the selling price from marked price and using two successive discounts. Again, we had arrived at selling price using CP as 100 and 12% as the profit. They are both the same. Rather, we can equate this to this. Now you saw this equation. This gone. So 200. So on the basis of CP being 100, we have arrived at the marked price as 200. That means marked price is just double cost price. So percentage wise, how much will it be more? 200 is obviously 100% more than 100. So that is the question. By what percentage was the article marked above the cost price? So the article was marked above the cost price by 100% because marked price is double the cost price. So today we have worked out two problems based on the concept of marked price discount. I would encourage you to go through my previous video explaining the basic concepts of profit and loss along with this problem to get a better understanding. If you have any questions on the solutions given here, please raise it in your comment section. I will address it there. See you guys in my next video where I'll help you with more of tricky problems of this kind and smart solutions. Bye for now.